Good morning, dear students of class 5. I am Shamima Yasmin Ferdowsi, assistant teacher, Chattogram Collegiate School. I hope you are fine at home and having your study properly. I am also fine by the grace of Almighty. Today, I will conduct an English class with you. Before the class, I will show you some pictures. Dear students, look at the picture. Look at the picture carefully. What do you see here? Okay, let me tell you. Here we can see water all around. People are walking in the water. So, what is the picture about? Let's see. It is a picture of flood. Okay. Now see another picture. What do you see here? You can see a river. Side of the river is breaking down, and so what do you think? What do you think about the picture? Let's see. This is a picture of river erosion. I will show you another picture. Dear student, what do you see here? You can see the houses, just all the houses are broken down. So, what is the picture about? Let's see. This is a picture of earthquake. I will show you another picture. Dear student, what do you see now? Okay, let's see. It is a picture of cyclone. So, dear student, all the picture tells about natural disaster. So, can you guess what we are going to discuss in this class? Yes, we are going to discuss about a lesson which is related to natural disaster. Today our lesson is a natural disaster called cyclone, and this is Cyclone Aila. Dear student, open your book at page 95. Our text is Cyclone Aila. Please read the text carefully, and when you are reading the text, try to find out some new words or difficult words for you. Then we will discuss on the word. Let me tell you something about the text. Today our text is about Cyclone Aila, and here the text tells about a family who faced the Cyclone Aila. The family is Babul's family. They are passing good time now, but before Cyclone Aila, it was not good for them. Cyclone Aila happened in 2009, 25th May. That time, Babul was just a baby, and his sister Nipa was 6 years old. They had a small family and they shared their family with their grandparents. Babul's father had a grocery shop and his mother worked in a fish farm. On the day of cyclone Aila, in the morning there was light rain, but in the afternoon the wind started to blow and people started to run for their homes. Babul's father closed his shop and he came home. His mother also came back home from the farm. Okay, and Babul's grandparents checked their family's emergency kit. Their torch was working and they had extra batteries also. She took batteries, then torch and first aid box in a plastic box. It means they were prepared for the natural disaster. But in the evening the situation was very bad. The river were rising and the wind started to blow very strongly, and they all were afraid. The wind suddenly they heard a big noise and the wind started to hit the wall of the house as if there were an earthquake, and suddenly the roof of their house blew away. They all were so afraid. That night was dark as there were no roof on their house. They could see trees flying over their head, and even the grandmother saw fishes flying in the sky. This is all about the text. So dear student, now tell me about some new words from the text. Just I found some new words from the text. See the new words: island, terrible, awful, blow, blow away, emergency kit, extra, first aid kit, light rain, noise. I think all those are new words for you. Now let's see the meaning of these new words. Island, island. It means a piece of land surrounded by water. Terrible, extremely bad or serious. Awful, very bad or unpleasant. Blow, to move by the wind. Blow away, to carry something away by the wind to another place. Dear learners, write down the meaning of the new words in your exercise book. Now see these new words. Emergency kit, a box that is needed or is used in a serious, dangerous situation. Extra, more than usual. First aid kit, a box or bag containing some medical equipment to give emergency primary treatment to someone who is ill. Light rain, water falling from the sky very gently. Noise, unpleasant sound. So dear learners, write all those meanings in your exercise book and you will make one sentence with every new words in your exercise book. Okay? Dear learners, now I have some tasks for you to do from this text. You will read the text and you will do this exercise. Okay? Fill in the blanks with the best word from the box. Find the information in the text. There are extra words which you need not use. Dear learners, there are 8 words and there are 5 sentences for you, and there is a gap in each sentence. You will have to use the words in the gap to make it a complete sentence. There are extra words in the box. You don't need to use this. So let's see now. So first see the word in the box: terribly, vegan, cobbler, worker, blue, grocer, manager, suddenly. Number A. Babul's father was a dash. Think what can be here? His mother was a dash in a fish farm. The river dash to rise in the evening. The winds of the cyclone hit their house dash. E. The roof of their house dash away. Dear learners, please fill in the blanks in your exercise book now. I will help you. Now let me tell you my answer and you will match with your answer. If you are correct, then it's okay, and if you are not correct, please write down the correct answer in your exercise book. Babul's father was a grocer. So number A, answer is grocer. His mother was a worker in a fish farm. Number B answer, worker. Number C, the river began to rise in the evening. So number C, answer is began. The winds of cyclone hit their house suddenly. Number D answer, suddenly. Suddenly. Number E, the roof of their house blew away. Number E answer is blew. So dear learners, write the correct answer in your exercise book. When the school will be opened, I will check. Don't worry. Dear learners, now we have another task. There are some sentences. You will have to say whether those are true or false. If true, you will write down only true. If it is false, you will write down only false. You don't need to write down the correct answer. Number A. After Cyclone Aila, life was dreadful. Tell me, is it true or false? Dreadful means awful. After Cyclone Aila, life was dreadful. That means life was difficult, life was awful. So, what do you think? Is it true or false? It is true. So, number A, the sentence is true. Number B, Nipa was 8 years old in 2012. In your text, it is told that Nipa was 6 years old when the cyclone occurred. That means in 2009 she was 6 years old. So in 2012 she will be 9 years old. Okay. So the sentence is false. Number B, the sentence is false. Number C, Babu's mother was a dressmaker. Is it true or false? In our text, we got that Babu's mother was a worker in a fish farm. So the sentence is false. Number D, Babu's parents checked the emergency kit. Is it true or false? In the text, we got that Babu's grandparents checked the family's emergency kit. So the sentence is false. Not Babu's parents, but his grandparents. So the statement is false. Babu's father closed his shop. Do you think it's true or false? Yes, this is true. Babu's father closed his shop and came back to home. Okay, so this is true. Number E, true. Number F, grandmother saw fish flying through the sky. Do you think it's true or false? Yes, when their roof blew away, they could see the sky. Though the sky was dark, still they could see the sky, and they saw trees flying over their head, and grandparents saw fishes flying in the sky. So this statement, grandmother saw fish flying through the sky, is true. Now see the answer. Dear learners, write down the answer in your exercise book. Number A, true, B, false, C, false, D, false, E, true, F, true. Okay, dear learners, now we will proceed to another word. Dear learners, there are some questions for you. You will have to answer it. You will read the text and you will find out the answer. Just you don't need to write down the answer just memorizing. Just you will read the text and you will write the answer, because this is scene comprehension part. How is, number A, how is the life for Babu's family now? So think about the question, how is life for Babu's family now? Read the text and find out the answer. Okay, let me help you. The life is good for Babu's family now. The answer is, the life is good for Babu's family now. Please write down in your exercise book. And number B, when did Cyclone Aila occur? Read the text and find out the answer. When did Cyclone Aila occur? Dear learners, let me help you. Cyclone Aila occurred on 25th May in 2009. Write down in your exercise book, dear learners. Now come to see what happened in the afternoon. Write in 3 sentences. In afternoon many things happens, just you will have to write in 3 sentences. So read the book, read your text and try to find out the answer, dear learners. Okay, dear learners, let me help you. In the afternoon, the wind started to blow and people began to run for their home. Babul's father closed his shop and his mother came home. Babul's grandparents checked the family's emergency kit and she put torch, batteries and first aid kit in a plastic box. So you can write these 3 sentences. Now number D. What emergency kit did grandparents take with them? Dear learners, read your text and try to find out the answer. What emergency kit did grandparents take with them? Okay, dear learners, let me help you. Torch, batteries and first aid box, first aid kits, torch, batteries and first aid kit were the emergency kit. So you can say grandparents took torch, batteries and first aid kit with them. Please write down in your exercise book. Dear learners, now come to question number E. What happened in the evening? Write in 3 sentences. So in the evening many things happens. On the day of Cyclone Aila, you will write down only 3 sentences, read the text and find out your answer, dear learners. Okay, dear learners, let me help you. In the evening, the river was rising. The winds of Cyclone Aila shook the walls of the house as if there was an earthquake. There was an awful noise and the family's roof blew away. You can write these 3 sentences. Write in your exercise book. Dear learners, now come to question number F. How was the river by the evening? Read your text and find out the answer. Okay, now let me help you. By the evening, the river was rising. So, this is all about the answers of these 6 questions. Dear learner, when you will answer any question, you will write correct sentence structure, and you must be careful about spelling also, and you must follow the tense of the question. If the question is in present tense, you will write the answer in present tense. If it is in past tense or future tense, you must follow the tense accordingly. Dear learners, we are almost at the end of our class. Now you have a homework from this text. You will have to write down a short composition on Cyclone Aila. This is your homework. Dear learner, when you will write a composition, you will have to keep in your mind something. The sentence structure must be correct, spelling must be correct, and you must use right punctuation marks, and you must use capital letters where necessary. Okay. Dear learners, this is the end of our class for today. This is Corona time, so dear learners, stay safe, just stay at your home, take care of yourself, and we will meet in our next class. Goodbye.